Hi and welcome to the News Chronicle TV. My name is Hassan Haruna. Here are the news that have been trending in the northern Nigeria. First, let me start with the Northwest. The National Drug Law Enforcement Agency (NDLEA) has revealed that over 3 million people in the Northwest Nigeria are struggling with drug addiction. The NDLEA boss Buba Marwa disclosed this on Monday during the sensitizations in the Northwest Nigeria. Now move to Zamfara State. 103 shops have been reported razed by fire, which gutted the perishable items section of the Central Market, Gusau, Zamfara State. Now move to Sokoto State. The family of former National Security Advisor Sambo Dasuki have been denied visa to enter United States over links to property bought with the questionable found in the country. Now, insecurity bandits have kidnapped the vice chairman of Bakuyum local government area of Zamfara State, Honorable Bala Muhammad Majidadi, along with 3 others. The incident happened on Monday evening on their way to Gusau, the capital of Zamfara State. This update is brought to you by the News Chronicle. You can share your view in the comment sections. Like, comment and share. Now move to Borno State. Boko Haram terrorists have stolen over 8 fishing boats from fishermen in Baga community under Kukawa local government area of Borno State on Sunday. Now Katsina State. Bandits launched coordinated attack on villages in Faskari local government area of Katsina State and killed 3 people on Sunday. Still on insecurity, the Niger State Police Command has arrested another suspect in connection with the murder of village heads of Lambata community. Now politics. Over 1,500 APC members defected to NNPP in Kano State. The Kano State Deputy Governor Aminu Abdul Salam Gorzo has welcomed them into the ruling party in the state. Similarly, the national chairman of APC, Abdullahi Umar Ganduje, said NNPP senators others to join APC soon. Still in Kano State, APC chairman Abdullahi Abbas says Tinubu minister is not our member. We don't know why Tinubu appointed him as minister. Still in politics, former Kaduna Senator Shehu Sani has condemned Nigerian Senate decisions to summon Ahmad Isa, the CEO of Birkete Family Radio, over a broadcast involving Kogi Senator Natasha. While former governor of Kaduna State Nasuru El-Rufai has condemned the appointment made by President Bola Ahmed Tinubu since assuming office. He said Tinubu is only appointing his boys from Lagos into political offices. Back to Kano State, APC State Chairman Abdullahi Abbas says the APC will reclaim Kano State in 2027 general elections in any circumstance. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channels at the News Chronicle. You can also follow us in Facebook, X, like, comment and share. Thank you and see you next.